Hello everyone, this is MJ and you are at my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, and productivity. Today, we're going to do a review of all the pens that I reached for in August 2025. Stay tuned. All right, so what we're going to do is go through my pens. I've started a new thing in my Hobonichi. So basically at the end of every month, or maybe during, however I feel like doing it, I'm going to list the pens and the inks that I reached for that I used. So this is, the first is my LAMY Vista. And this is inked with Sailor ink. This is an extra fine. This is Sailor Manyo ink in Koke. This came in a gift box with the Sailor Slim. And this was dirt cheap. This was dirt cheap. This was like $177. Like, it was well worth the price. Okay, then we have, let's leave these up here. This is my LAMY Safari in fine. And this is inked with Megalodon. And this is from Birmingham Pen Co. I'll just put BPC because it's too much to write. And this is, it reminds me of like a true shark skin gray. Okay. Then I was reaching for my Conklin. This is my Conklin 1898. This is in medium. This is the first medium that I've had. And I believe this is in Interstellar Bronze from BPC. Yes. Love this pen. It's chunky. Look at the barrel. It's lovely to write with. I don't know what else to say. Okay. Then we're going to put down this one. This is a Hongdian Black Forest. This is in fine. And I believe this is Washed Lavender from BPC. When I was on holiday, I took these three with me. These were the three that I packed and traveled safely with and had no issues with. And there's still a ton of ink left in them. I wrote every single day, but you know, that's just how it goes. And like I said, no issues with anything. Okay. Then I reached for my Jinhao 10 press pen, which is the dupe for the Pilot Vanishing Point. And this is think this is fine, extra fine. Let me just double check. So I started a little project. This is my diary. This is my pen collection, 2024-2025. And this is a Midori A6. And I have all of the pens that I've purchased. Now I've only done a few. I haven't done them all. But I put down the date, the make, the nib, the cost, and what it's currently inked with. So this one is, okay, I bought this in December 18th, 2024. It's extra fine, and it's currently filled with, is it still Cold Snap? I guess it is. Cold Snap from Birmingham Pen Co. No, it's not Cold Snap. Hold on. It's filled with sterling silver. And that's from Birmingham Pen Co. Okay, then I was reaching for this a ton. This is my TWISBI Eco. I don't know if this is fine or... This is Bronze Serpentine is the colorway. I'll list that because I have three TWISBI Ecos. Okay, and this is an extra fine. And this is filled with Burlywood. Okay, this is a newer Jinhao that I did not share with you all. This one I picked up a couple weeks ago. And again, it's a Jinhao 10 press pen. Knock on wood, I haven't had any bad experiences yet. Jinhao 10. And this one is in Cold Snap. And this is a medium nib. And it writes great. It really does. And I picked this up because I wake up really early. I just love waking up early, you know, doing a morning routine. And I was noticing the sky and it reminded me of this colorway. And I said, you know what? I said, I got to get that pen so I can remember what the sky looked like at this time of year. And if I can find the picture, I'll put it here just so you can see what I'm talking about. But I simply just love it. I would always come back to this colorway for some reason. I just love it. I love it. Okay. Then we have this little guy. This is a Jinhao. I was wrong. This is a Jinhao. This is the Year of the Snake pen. And I think this may be a dupe for a Mont Blanc. And this is in fine. And this is filled with pondweed, I believe. No. Sugar kelp. And that's from Birmingham Pen Co. Are you seeing a thing here, Birmingham Pen Co? Okay. I have my Jinhao in here twice with Cold Snap because this is like where I started this idea. Okay, then we have my Jinhao 10. I probably should have done that. This is in the orange gradient. And this is filled with Jacque. Herbin in Caco do Brasil. And this one is my matte black. Okay, and then last but not least, my pen from the Dollar Tree. This is the 1.25 pen. 1.25 pen, and that's from the Dollar Tree. It's worth the $1.25. And I think this is in fine. And there we go. So these are all of the pens that I reached for quite a bit in August. I hope you enjoyed that. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that. Here's all of the winners. But all of the pens that I used in August, there's a lot. There's a lot. I think I need, in 2026, I need to reassess and maybe limit it to 7 pens. 7 sounds like a lucky number. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Heck of a fun video. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to do the same in September for the pens that I'm reaching for this month. And we'll go through them at the end of the month, okay? There may be some repeats. Just saying. There may be some repeats. And there may be some new ones too. We'll see. All right. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, everyone, goodbye for now. Fill those pens and write those words. Bye.